How to install Instagram in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Instagram in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store and open it up. After you open up your Microsoft Store, you will need to head over to the search bar on the top and simply search for Instagram. Now, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. Head over to Instagram, and after you're on Instagram, you'll see the install button. All you now have to do is tap on the install button to start its download process. So it's that simple. Now it's preparing to download, and after it completes its preparations and it starts downloading, it can take some time depending on your internet speed. And after it downloads, you can simply open it up and start using your Instagram on your Windows device. And that's all for today's video, guys. That's how you install Instagram on your device. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.